Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download the NBA app on your Samsung Smart TV step by step in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. This will open the main menu on your TV. Step 2. Go to the app section. Use the directional buttons on your remote to select apps. Press enter to open the Samsung App Store. Step 3. Search for the NBA app. Select the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Use the on-screen keyboard to type NBA, then press Done. Step 4. Install the NBA app. Find the NBA app in the search results. Select it, then choose Install. The app will begin downloading and installing on your TV. Step 5. Open the app and sign in. Once the installation is complete, open the NBA app from your apps list. Sign in using your NBA account credentials. After signing in, you'll be able to watch live games, highlights, and other NBA content. Step 6. If the NBA app is not available. If the NBA app does not appear on your Samsung TV, it may not be supported on your TV model or in your region. In that case, you can use a streaming device such as an Amazon Fire TV Stick, Roku streaming stick, or Google TV streamer to access NBA content. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more easy smart TV tutorials.